tablet stopped. The video is frozen. The TV is not working too. Dad! The internet is gone.
What happened?
What will we do now?
I need to check my emails, but nothing is loading.
I wanted to study online today.
I wanted to watch a recipe video for breakfast.
But I wanted to watch cartoons.
The internet is not working right now. Let me check the Wi-Fi router. I will restart it now. The light is still not green.
No cartoons today?
Maybe this can be a good day. How can it be good?
Look outside. The weather is beautiful today.
But we are still at home, Dad.
The sun is shining so brightly.
Can we do something fun in this sunny day?
We can do things together instead.
Yes. Maybe we can enjoy this day as a family. First, let's make breakfast.
Emma,
Can you help me make breakfast?
yes, Mom, I want to help. Jake, can you put the plates on the table? Yes, Mom, I can do that.
I will make fresh orange juice for everyone.
Yay! I like orange juice. The pancakes are almost ready. The kitchen smells very nice. Yes, breakfast will be delicious today. This is fun, Mom.
I am happy you are enjoying it.
I help too. Yes, Jake, you did a great job.
Let's sit at the table together.
Yes, breakfast is ready.
Let's eat slowly today. Okay, I will not hurry.
No screens at the table today.
It feels different, but nice.
This feels peaceful.
Yes, it feels very nice.
I feel bored now. Can we play something?
Yes, let me find something fun. Maybe there is a game in here. Ah, I found our old board game.
Wow! Can we play now?
Yes, let's play together.
I want to play first.
Okay, Jake, but wait for everyone.
Come sit here, Jake.
Let's start the game together.
This looks fun. I will roll the dice carefully.
Good job, Emma.
I will move my piece here. Wait, Jake, that is too far. Jake, that is too far. Oh, really? Oops, I made a mistake. It's okay, move it back. Sorry, Dad. I will play correctly now.
That's okay, Jake. Good job.
That is the right way to play. Yes, now it is fair. Now I will move it here. Yes, that is correct.
I won the first game.
Mom is the champion. Look, Dad. I found my old drawing book.
That is a great find, Emma.
I found the crayons. Perfect. Now we can draw. Let's put the paper here first. Okay, Mom, I am ready. I will open the crayons. Good idea, Jake.
Here are some extra papers.
Thank you, David. That will help.
I will start with our house. That sounds beautiful, Emma. I am coloring mine now.
Nice work, Jake. Keep going.
I forgot drawing is so much fun.
Yes, Emma. You are very creative.
The weather is nice. Let us go outside now.
Can we go to the park? Stay close, everyone. I want to play on the swings.
Okay, Jake. Be careful.
Mom, look! I can kick the ball.
Good job, Emma. Keep going.
This swing is so fun.
Hold tight, Jake.
Mom, I kicked the ball far.
Yes, Emma. You did great. This was a lovely time outside.
Yes, we did not need the internet.
Let's go home now.
Can we play again tomorrow?
Today was fun without the internet. Family time is the best time.